Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem offline. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application offline and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you